guys, welcome back to the channel. Straight pipe, let's do it. So I have a 2004 Toyota Celica GTS turboed. You guys seen it, Tsunami Edition. Currently, what's going on with the car is a lot of you guys have said this. It makes like a rattly noise. So the car has an OEM TRD exhaust, which is cool. But the issue with it is that this is boosted and the little welds on the exhaust have been worn out, and so it has like a crack in the exhaust where the canister is broken. So we're gonna cut the canister off, keep the TRD tip, and then go from the turbo all the way to the exhaust tip, straight pipe. I don't think it's all 3-inch the whole way, but maybe we can get it 3-inch. I think I might be able to do it 3-inch. Let's see if the car starts real quick, so you guys can actually hear it. So hold on one second, I gotta start back up. So listen real quick here. It sounds good right here, but you can hear like the rattling. You guys hear that? And I'm gonna give it some rev so you guys can listen, but that's the issue. As you guys can hear, it is rattly. So let's go. We're gonna go back to the same place. It's called Pro Exhaust, I think. And we're gonna have them cut off the TRD part, like the middle of it, and then go 3-inch back. Good thing, it'll increase horsepower, which is good. We do need gas. It'll increase horsepower, and it'll sound beefier. The idle of the car sounds really good. It's like kind of what you want. It's almost stock, which is kind of what I was going for, this look of the car. Let's go get some gas. But yeah, it's gonna be louder. It's exciting, I like it, you know, but I did kind of like this sleeper-ish of it. Things that we still need to do, of course, someday I'm gonna get a tune for this thing. I don't know, we'll see. It's running good, to be honest. Needs a bigger fuel pump, so we'll do a bigger fuel pump. And then it needs a tune, so if I can get a tune. Car makes like 260, 270 crank horsepower, which is fast. It's a ripper. First gear is useless, which I love. But let's go get some gas and then head over to the exhaust shop and get this thing straight piped, baby. This is a TRD exhaust. Wow, you'll love that. Couple of things I'm gonna see. So we're gonna see if we can cut that and then start it straight piped, and then if that sounds good, we'll just run that. And then I'm also gonna see if they can just maybe weld the top of the canister. That might work, so we don't have the rattling anymore. But no matter what, I can't. It's too raspy right now. It's just a big exhaust leak. So we're gonna try. I kind of want to straight pipe it and just get rid of the TRD exhaust. But if he goes and says we can cut that, weld that on top, and then put it back on, I probably will go that route. So let's see. Well, we are going to get some noise with the straight pipe and see how good it sounds. Again, it's going to have the turbo, so it's just not going to be like an NA straight pipe, which is so loud. Okay, so I am right. It's split right in the middle. So this is a TRD exhaust. It's split right in the middle of the top. So what we're going to do is we're gonna go from here and cut right here and just go straight to here and out. So that'll be nice. So just kind of a direct here and then no more muffler. I put the keys in there. Might be a little loud. Might be a little loud. Yeah. Might be a little loud. Yeah. We're officially straight pipe. It is way too loud. It does sound a lot like the NA straight pipe. I have no gas. I still gotta get gas. So we're gonna drive around a little bit so you guys can hear this. It's too loud. It sounds like a trumpet. It's just dumb. Let's see if we can pull out here. Yeah, it's retarded. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna patch the TRD exhaust, and then he's gonna reinstall it tomorrow. So no worries at all. It is so loud. Oh my gosh, it's dumb. It doesn't even sound good. So we're gonna drive around a little bit like this. Of course, let's go get some gas, but that is just dumb. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Sounds like a tractor. Way too loud. That's funny, I actually did not think it would sound this loud with the turbo on there, but no, it's way too loud. You know what it actually sounds like? This is what the MR2 sounds like without an exhaust. It's just too loud. Way gas, we'll fill it up. We'll go for some drives. I might do a flyby or two. It's just dumb. It doesn't sound good. It sounds bad. I don't know why 1.8 liters are so loud. They're so loud. But we'll get, he'll fix that TRD canister tomorrow, and it'll be nice. It'll be fixed, and then he'll cut it back off, re-weld it on, and then we'll put it back on. But it's a fun experiment. You know, a lot of people have said trying it. It's way too loud. Too loud. It's crazy. Did you hear that start up? That is just dumb. So what we're gonna do is we'll be back tomorrow to get the TRD exhaust reinstalled. That is crazy. We'll have it welded and reinstalled. Guy just went sick. I like it. So bad. I mean, some people might like it, but it's so droney. Oh my gosh. It does backfire a lot, which that sounds cool. It sounds like it's got a burble tune, but man, it is so deafening loud. It's crazy. Even with the turbo on them, they're still so loud. So definitely don't recommend. gosh. I put it in the grass. Just listen to this thing. Oh my gosh, it is nasty. It is so beefy sounding. Like everyone sounds so good. Oh my gosh. Gas station and someone says, dang, that sounds nasty, that sounds awesome. Then some guy at the exhaust shop was like, that thing must be tuned up. What's on that? I was like, oh, it's turboed. He's like, it sounds so meaty. It does, it sounds good, but you just don't want to have it for a daily drive. I totally get it, I totally get it. Like, if we had the Evo over there and the only deal for the Evo was just, or this car too, just to drive to the track and then just go straight down the track, and your goal is to, you know, run 11 second, 10 second, totally get it. But other than that, no, it's miserable. It's nasty sounding. And then we were at a stoplight and some guy goes and gives me the shake a sign and said, sick, you know, it looks sick, or sounds sick. It's intense. Don't recommend doing this, don't do it. My favorite exhaust are TRD, which I already had on the car, but unfortunately it broke, which it's an OEM part and it broke. And then C1 makes a good exhaust. Apexi makes too quiet in my opinion. Just slightly louder than stock. You know, the Tanabe, it's okay. Tanabe's pretty loud actually in my opinion. Not as loud as this, but yeah, Tanabe versus straight pipe Tanabe, definitely. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is, now that you guys have that, I'm gonna see if I can get my fiance to do 1 or 2 flybys in this real quick here. And then, yeah, we'll come back and we'll reinstall the TRD exhaust. But man, I still love this car. I've put, I think, 2,000 miles on it. So, and it's been working great. Just needs a tune. The VVTLI works perfectly. It just runs a little bit lean, needs a little bit more gas. So we'll do a fuel pump on it and then see if I can maybe do a new ECU. Because again, I need to do more research to find a tuner. Maybe we'll take it on a road trip and drive it down to California or something like that. Okay, let's go do some flybys. Story of the straight piped Celica GTS. Way too loud, hilariously loud. I'm telling you, if you do this, it's gonna be too loud. Learn from me. So we'll be back. We're gonna go reinstall the TRD exhaust and make it nice and sound. And TRD, Toyota, good stuff. If you can't find a TRD, try the, you can do the Tanabe like I said earlier, but man, hope you guys enjoy this. Like, subscribe. Celica GTS Turbo, what a cool thing. I promised you guys I would do it. I've done it and I've been driving it, enjoying it for 2 or 3 months now. The turbo kit is worth every penny from turbokits.com. It really is. It's such a more fun car. It's so much more fun to drive. Like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. See you guys on the next video.